Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a Gundam Evolution player and get the error, failed to connect to server, or error code 503, then this is the video for you. Method 1. Check your region is available. Currently, Gundam Evolution is not available worldwide. You can visit their news page for more details. Hence, if you're not living in live service areas, you'll have to use a VPN to download and play the game on Steam. Method 2. Check server status. One of the causes of these errors is that the server has a problem or is under maintenance. Hence, you should check this case before trying other methods. If your investigation has revealed that the game developers are currently in the middle of mitigating server problems, just wait until that's over. Method 3. Run Gundam Evolution as administrator. Open Steam library. Right-click on Gundam Evolution, then select Manage. Select Browse Local Files. Stay here, right-click on Evo Launcher application file, then select Properties. Select the Compatibility tab. Check on Run this program as an administrator. Click OK. Go back Steam library, then play Gundam Evolution and see problem is fixed. Method 4. Turn off third-party antivirus software. If you are using third-party antivirus software, try disabling them before launching Gundam Evolution. Method 5. Restart your device. If you are playing Gundam Evolution on PC, then restart your PC. With PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox Series X, Xbox One, turn off them, then unplug the power cable. Wait at least 5 minutes. After that, plug the power cable back. Turn on your device back. Do same thing on your router Wi-Fi. Finally, launch Gundam Evolution and see problem is fixed. Method 6. Verify Gundam Evolution game file. Open Steam library. Right-click on Gundam Evolution, then select Properties. Move down Local Files, then select Verify integrity of game files. Once the verify is complete, replay Gundam Evolution and see problem is fixed. So, this is all I can help you. If you have any other methods, please leave a comment for everyone to refer to.